Next, we're going to complete the employee's earnings records. In the row for the 10-9 pay period, enter the information from the payroll register for the hours, rate, and regular earnings. There were no overtime earnings this pay period, so you can leave that section blank. Add the cumulative earnings year to date to the earnings from the current pay period to arrive at the new cumulative earnings. Copy the deductions, check number, and net pay from the payroll register. Next, we'll record the entries in the journal. Refer to 3. We're told to record an entry to transfer money from the regular cash account to the payroll cash account in the amount of net pay. Remember from financial accounting that cash is an asset account. Assets are increased with debits and decreased with credits. We're going to debit or increase the payroll cash account, and we're going to credit or decrease the regular cash account. From the payroll register, the amount of net pay is $12,291.11. Next up, we need to record the payroll for 10-9. Remember from financial accounting that expenses are debited to increase them. We're going to record a debit for the total earnings in the expense account for each department. Your numbers will come from the labor cost distribution columns from the payroll register. Payable accounts are liability accounts. Liabilities are increased with credits. So we're going to credit liability accounts for each of the deductions columns from the payroll register. Finally, we credit the payroll cash to show the decrease in the amount of net pay from the payroll register. The last entry for this pay period is to record payroll taxes. This entry will record the amounts that the employer is responsible for. Refer to Figure 7.3. For FICA, you're told that the employer rate for OASDI is 0.6062 and for HI is 0.0145. Multiply these rates by the total of the respective taxable earnings columns in the payroll register. The total for both columns was $15,456.77. The employer portion of OASDI is $958.32, and for HI is $224.12. The total for the FUTA taxable earnings column is $38.18. Multiply this by the rate of 0.006 to arrive at $22.91. SUTA taxable earnings were $4,778. Multiply by the employer rate of 0.036890 to arrive at SUTA tax of $176.26. Note that all these are payable accounts. They're liability accounts that are increased with credits. The total of the credits should be debited to the payroll taxes expense account.